In this video, I will show you step by step how you inject the SIM tray, insert your SD card and your SIM card if you own the Revvl 6 Pro 5G. And this is Right to Stick to. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up to encourage me to upload more videos in the future. And without any further ado, let's find out. Now, first of all, I highly recommend to turn the phone off completely when you insert or you inject the SIM tray. Either you remove the SD card or you insert SD card and a SIM card, because you need to do this anyways. After you insert the SIM card, you need to restart the phone to put the service back on the phone. And also you will need to have the SIM card, of course, and you need SD card, and this is optional. I just want to show you also how you insert the SD card. And you will need the SIM ejector tool. Now, if you don't have SIM ejector tool, you can use paper clip if it fits the hole in the phone, or you can use needle pin, whatever you can find that fits the hole on the phone. Second, you need to grab the phone. In the Revvl 6 Pro, we have the SIM tray located on the left side from here, and you guys will see a hole right here. You just have to insert the SIM ejector tool and push. When you hear the click, remove the SIM ejector tool and pull out the SIM tray, and you should have something like this. Now, I highly recommend us to know the directions here. You need to know which side has to be up and which side has to be down. Now, normally the SIM tray tell you SD card, SIM card, but this phone doesn't. So when you guys see this silver paint right there, mean this is the top side. Let me take it to the bottom. You guys not gonna see this, so this has to be inserted along with the screen that way. And also this silver paint will show you how to match the SIM card, and the SIM card, as you guys can see, it has this curve, so that has to go along with the silver paint. Just go ahead and insert that SIM card first. It should fit nicely, as you guys can see, and then you can grab the SD card. Make sure that when you fit the SIM card, match the curve, and the number of the SIM card has to be from the top side. And then we have the SD card, where it says the amount of gigabytes for the SD card has to be in the top. And you guys see now that we fit the SD card nice and flat. Now grab the SIM card just like this and bring the phone, and we will just insert, and has to go smooth. If it doesn't go smooth, make sure to pull it out, put it right, because you don't want anything jammed inside the phone and then you ended up breaking something. If everything just goes smooth, go ahead and push it all the way in and make sure it's flat with the phone. Normally you're gonna receive a message till you restart the phone or service, or the phone might restart by itself. After you insert the SIM card and the SD card correctly, just make sure you have service on the phone if it's active SIM card, and make sure that the phone is reading the SD card. And by the way, this phone take up to 1 tera SD card, so it's always good option for you to add SD card for this device. Will bring you more storage to upload more videos, pictures, etc. And I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Right to Stick to. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta